Welcome dear students to our YouTube channel, and today we will see the topic GSM based fire security alert system. So hardware setup is as on the screen as you can see. So let's have a look on components used in this project. A white lamp is used here to indicate the status of power supply of the system. This nut connector is used to connect water pump as fire extinguishing purpose. For sound alert purpose, this black buzzer is used to indicate that the fire is occurred in the apartment. To turn on and off water pump and main switch, this dual channel relay module is used here. To handle entire process like detecting the fire, turning on and off the relay, and running the LCD and sending the commands to GSM module, this Arduino Nano is used here. To send text notification about the fire to the owner of house, this module is used. A SIM is inserted to get the GSM services, as you can see. To detect either the fire is available or not, this flame sensor is used here, as you can see. To display pump on and off condition, main switch on and off condition, and fire is available or not, this LCD is used. To provide 9-volt power supply, this power adapter is used, and it is a water pump for fire extinguishing purpose. To provide power supply to our system, we are using 9-volt adapter and 230-volt power supply. So as you can see, we are connecting it to the Arduino Nano for the proper operation, and then this is the power plug to handle water pump and main switch lamp. Okay, and in this way we will connect the water pump to our setup. It is very easy using the nut connector. Anyone can connect easily to our system. So let us see how our system works. So for that we will first provide 230-volt power supply using the extension board. So we are going to turn on. We have turned on our setup, and as you can see, LCD is showing system is safe because there is no fire and main switch is on. And you can see MS means main switch, and P means water pump or pump, and you can see pump is off now because of flame is not available or fire is not available. And we will use this mobile phone to get SMS notification about the fire. So let us test it by providing a flame to the flame sensor. Okay, so as in this way we will provide, so using the lighter. So as you can see, our system has successfully detected the fire, and main switch has turned off, sorry, and you can see water pump has started to extinguish the fire, and at the same time we will get a notification, so that if the person is on long distance, so he can get a notification about the fire. So we can read the SMS content that attention, fire alert, pump has started, and main MCB is off. So again, let us again test it. Now in this round we will use a candle. So using the candle, you can see fire is detected and pump is on, and main switch is off. We are turning off main switch because to increase the safety, as you know, and we have received the SMS alert again. And you can see water pump is on to extinguish the fire, and at the same time LCD is showing fire detected and main switch is off. And now we have turned off the candle, and you can see our system has detected and water pump has turned off, and our main CB has turned on. So it means our system is working so fine. Thank you so much. And if anyone want to buy this setup, so visit the video description and contact us there. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care.